Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at installing a transition piece. So on this property, there was a transition piece installed and we had left the rail installed here, and then we had installed this lighter vinyl on the other side. But in that process, that vinyl is a thicker vinyl, and therefore the transition was no longer working. So we're going to remove the old one, and we're going to show you what to do if you're in this situation, or you can just skip ahead and see how to go about installing a new piece. How transitions work is there is a metal piece that gets screwed into the subflooring or glued down if it's concrete, and then the transition piece itself gets clicked into that. The key is that the very top of the metal piece has to be flush with the highest vinyl. All right, the rail cannot be sunk lower or else it's not going to click into place, which is what was happening in this case. So we've simply cut a piece of plywood that is the thickness that we need. And we're just now clearing out what was there before so that we can go ahead and get this installed. All right, so now with this piece in, we'll be able to double check our thickness by putting the metal rail back. This is literally like a U shape, so it has a flat bottom and then the two metal pieces sticking up. And we're just making sure that those pieces that are sticking up, the very top of them, is at the same height as the thicker vinyl. All right, so that can take some maneuvering to get that piece to be the right thickness that you need. But once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and add some PL Premium to glue it down. You could also screw this down into the subfloor if you have a wood subfloor. But if you're working on concrete, you do need to use the glue. And then we're going to go ahead and put that rail into place. The rail is secured by screws. It would have come with the package in this case because this was an existing piece. They were the same ones that we took out. And we're just making sure everything is straight and everything is flush down once it's installed. Okay. Again, the key being that the top of that rail is at the top of the higher level. If you do have two floorings that come up to different levels, you are going to need a transition piece that accommodates for that. If you have the two sides at the same height, then you're going to use a straight transition piece. But when you buy them, it is on the labeling there, and the installation is all the same. Okay. Now that the metal is in place, you're simply going to click it in. You're always going to start at one side and move all the way across, making sure you're getting those clicks all the way along. This is what gives you that beautiful finish that has no screws on it. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our channel for lots of tips and tricks for all of your installation needs. We'll see you in the next video.